Before we begin, I want to tell you guys a quick funny backstory about my experience with picking up these Apple leather cases. So, like any other regular person would, I bought every single Apple leather case in all the colors. So I walk into the Apple store to pick up my online order. The Apple employee approaches me with a bag full of all of these cases. He takes a look down at the bag and he goes, "Are you a YouTuber?" And I'm like, yeah, I guess you could call me that. So he did ask for my YouTube channel name and he did subscribe. So if you are watching this, major shout out to you, dude. I did really go out and buy every single iPhone 12 Pro leather case imaginable. All of these cases came to a total of $446.35. Obviously, I don't need all of these cases, but I did want to give you guys a close-up look at all of these colors available for the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro. Since you know we are in the midst of a pandemic and it's not really a great idea to go into an Apple store and check these out for yourself. If you do appreciate the video, show some love by leaving a like down below and consider subscribing to the channel for Friday's video, which is going to be my iPhone 12 mini and my iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing and first impressions. So you don't want to miss that. Let's start off by unboxing one of these leather cases and then we'll see what we get in the box, and then I'll show you guys how these colors look on the Pacific Blue iPhone 12 Pro and the green iPhone 12. This year, Apple did make the iPhone 12 Pro and the regular iPhone 12 the exact same size, so these leather cases do fit on both these iPhones. Alright, so let's start off by unboxing my favorite color this year, the new Baltic Blue leather case. So in the case, as you guys can see for yourself, there is no wrapping around the case. We just get some typical paperwork and we do get a warranty card. Just like I said in my iPhone 12 Pro Max leather case review, this case is very nice and soft to the touch. We still have the metal buttons just like in the past, and you'll be happy to know that this year, just like the silicone case, the bottom of the case is covered. So there is no bottom opening this year, which does provide a little bit more protection. There is a plastic rim around the camera, and the camera area is raised a bit for extra camera protection. On the inside, there is a nice microfiber lining with a circle indicating that this leather case is in fact a MagSafe accessory, which does in fact come with magnets inside for wireless charging and to better align your iPhone within the case. What I find to be really interesting is if you do go over to Apple's website and you look under product description, they do let you know that over time the back of the leather case will get slight imprints from MagSafe charging. If imprints from MagSafe charging does bother you, then you should definitely look elsewhere for a case. I will link some good ones that I do recommend in the description below, and I have a bunch of case reviews coming up next week for the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the iPhone 12 Pro, so stay tuned for that. Alright, so let's pop my iPhone into one of these cases. This is the Pacific Blue iPhone 12 Pro. I feel like this will be the most popular color this year, and rightfully so, because this may be the best color on an iPhone ever to date. So once the iPhone is popped on, this is what it looks like in the Baltic Blue color on the Pacific Blue iPhone 12 Pro. And I think that looks really nice. Every time you pop your iPhone into these Apple cases, a little animation pops up letting you know the color of the case you have on. It's a nice subtle touch that does sort of make you feel like these cases are actually worth the hefty price tag for a quick second. As you guys can see for yourself, the case does hold the iPhone pretty well. Everything is properly aligned and we do have nice cutouts at the bottom, and you do get some rather decent protection all around the phone and even on the front. Honestly, this feels and smells a lot better than the Apple silicone cases. I do find the silicone cases to collect a lot of lint and dust, and sometimes it's very hard to take out of your pocket. So if you never tried Apple's leather cases before, I do highly recommend them despite the price tag. These cases are also available on the iPhone 12 mini and the iPhone 12 Pro Max, so Apple leather cases all around this year. If you do leave your iPhone face down a lot, these raised edges will help protect the screen. But I do highly recommend everyone gets a screen protector this year. It feels like this year you do get a lot more noticeable scratches than iPhones compared in the past. The screen protector that I have on my iPhone is called the ESR screen protector. It's a perfect fit and you don't even notice the screen protector on the screen, just the way I like it. Installation was super simple and these ESR screen protectors are affordable, all while offering some really good protection. I'll also leave a link to the screen protector in the description below, so if you are interested, make sure you go and check that out. To conclude this video, what I'm going to do is run some B-roll for you guys with some nice catchy music in the background, just to showcase all of these leather cases in the best way that I can. So you can ultimately make a purchase decision for yourself based on which color you like the best.
I'm so in love with you. You got me down again.
Let me know down in the comments below which iPhone leather case you are going for. I am actually very curious. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel for Friday's iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing video. I'll catch you guys all in the next one.